White Island erupts as of February 2nd of 2025. There are currently 44 volcanoes which are actively erupting around the planet, a total which is 2 less than were erupting last week. One of these erupting volcanoes is New Zealand's White Island volcano, which at times contains the planet's most acidic crater lake, having a pH of 0.95. While White Island is technically still erupting, the intensity of this eruption, which peaked on December 3rd of 2024, has greatly declined, only consisting of occasional weak ash emissions in its strong ongoing gas plumes. White Island's central crater is incredibly highly hydrothermally altered, meaning that many harder rocks have over time been replaced by more brittle albeit more colorful clay minerals. And now, here are this week's top volcano-related news stories. This week's top stories: in Japan, a strange swarm of earthquakes struck a submarine portion of the vast Ira caldera, which has not erupted in more than 10,000 years. Heading to the southern hemisphere, it appears that a new intrusion of magma is occurring at the towering Ulawun volcano, meaning it could soon erupt. I also want to note that a fairly strong episode earthquake swarm is ongoing close to Mexico hot spring to Greece's Colombo volcano, although it may not even be related to the volcano and just be purely tectonic. However, the swarm will not be discussed in today's video since I already made a full video on the topic yesterday. And in what is this week's top story, a vent randomly appeared close to the community of San Marcos Evangelista in Mexico, venting gas, ejecting very hot water, and erupting mud. The sudden appearance of this geothermal feature caused many people to ask, is this a sign of volcanic activity, perhaps from say the Colima volcano? Thankfully not, with this feature's bubbling up hot water not being related to Colima, with that volcano being centered 90 kilometers to the south, too far to be related.